Reputation matters, and in the age of the World Wide Web, your online reputation is everything. A Harvard study, which set out to ascertain whether online consumer reviews affect demand, determined that a business that boosts its Yelp score by 1 full star can see revenues increase 5 to 9%. In other words, Yelp ratings can indeed have a big effect on a business's bottom line. This is no secret. That's why there are many unscrupulous business owners and disgruntled employees who attack you with fraudulent online reviews. Though frustrating, it is a problem that can be effectively countered with an increased rate of legitimate reviews from your biggest fans, your customers. That's where we come in. We have automated the processes required to give you leverage. In addition, our service is geared toward capturing the customer experience from start to finish and tailor-made to suit the individual needs of your industry. The information we collect is tracked and compiled in an automated process that you can access from anywhere. Our surveys use both a familiar star rating system and open commentary to generate the information you need to keep your business running at its peak. Our service then increases the posting of positive online reviews with a proprietary automated review generating system. These are real reviews from your customers posted to review sites relative to your industry, such as Yelp, Google, TripAdvisor, and many others. Your customers can be invited to participate in multiple ways. A prominent display on premises of the Q code we generate for you, a printed customer invitation presented at point of sale, or a personal invitation with an embedded link sent via email. Positive reviews will be captured automatically. Customers will be guided to publish their comments to Google, Yelp, TripAdvisor, etc. And if you're a restaurant, be asked to give you a thumbs up on Urban Spoon. If they choose not to publish, we, with their consent, publish the comments to one of the several sites that allow third-party publishing, thus dramatically increasing your search engine optimization, SEO. Guests providing negative comments will be kept in-house. Their survey will be sent directly to you, giving you the opportunity to turn a bad experience into a loyal customer. At the close of each survey, we give you the opportunity to educate your customer concerning any upsell opportunities you may offer. This may be modified as frequently as necessary to reflect changes in your offerings as they occur. When the customer chooses a product that interests them, the request is sent directly to you, along with their contact information, giving you an opportunity to significantly increase these revenue streams. Please accept our invitation. Come partner with Equalitrack and allow us to give you the tools you need to effectively and affordably compete, manage, and grow your business.